Hey there, welcome to this video on meal prep hacks for healthy eating on a budget. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone trying to save money while staying healthy, this video is for you. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming, and with the right strategies, you can fuel your body and mind without breaking the bank. Stick around as I share some game-changing tips that will transform your relationship with food and meal prep. Remember, taking control of your meals is one of the most powerful steps toward a healthier, happier you. Section 1. Why meal prep matters. First, let's talk about why meal prep is a total game changer. Planning and preparing your meals ahead of time has so many benefits. Saves money. You're less likely to spend on takeout or impulse buys when you already have food prepared. Healthier choices. When you plan ahead, you control what goes into your meals. Less sugar, less salt, and no hidden ingredients. Saves time. Cooking in bulk means fewer hours spent in the kitchen during your busy weekdays. Reduces stress. No more standing in front of the fridge wondering, what's for dinner? Now that we know why meal prep is important, let's dive into the hacks that will make it easy and affordable. Section 2. Plan smart. Hack 1. Make a weekly menu start with a simple plan. Take 20 minutes at the beginning of each week to decide what you're going to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Use recipes that share common ingredients to save money. Hack 2. Shop your pantry first before heading to the store. Check what you already have. This helps reduce waste and ensures you're not buying duplicates. Hack 3. Stick to a grocery list. Impulse buys can ruin your budget. Write a list and stick to it. Better yet, try grocery apps to organize your list and find deals. Section 3. Budget-friendly shopping tips. Hack 4. Buy in bulk. Staples like rice, oats, beans, and lentils are much cheaper when bought in bulk. These are nutritious, versatile, and perfect for meal prep. Hack 5. Choose frozen or seasonal produce. Frozen fruits and veggies are just as healthy as fresh ones but often cost less. Seasonal produce is also cheaper and tastes better. Hack 6. Compare prices per unit. Look at the price per ounce or gram rather than the overall price. This is especially helpful when deciding between sizes or brands. Section 4. Meal prep hacks for beginners. Hack 7. Batch cook. Cook large portions of staples like quinoa, brown rice, or roasted veggies. Store them in the fridge to mix and match throughout the week. Hack 8. Prep snacks in advance. Portion out healthy snacks like trail mix, sliced veggies with hummus, or fruit into containers. This prevents unhealthy snacking. Hack 9. Use one pot or sheet pan. Recipes save time on cooking and cleanup by sticking to recipes that require minimal pots and pans. Think sheet pan chicken and veggies or one pot pasta. Section 5. Storage solutions. Hack 10. Invest in good containers. Leak-proof, microwave-safe containers keep your food fresh and are perfect for grab-and-go meals. Hack 11. Label everything. Use masking tape or sticky notes to label meals with the date they were prepared. This helps you keep track of freshness. Hack 12. Freeze for later. Not everything has to be eaten right away. Soups, stews, and casseroles freeze well and make great backup meals. Section 6. Maximize nutrition on a budget. Hack 13. Use affordable protein sources. Eggs, canned tuna, tofu, and beans are excellent, budget-friendly protein options. Hack 14. Add flavor without cost. Spices, herbs, garlic, and citrus can make even the simplest meals taste gourmet. Many of these are inexpensive and last a long time. Hack 15. Stretch ingredients. Turn leftovers into new meals. Roast chicken today can become chicken soup tomorrow. Be creative. Section 7. Time-saving techniques. Hack 16. Cook once, eat twice. Make double portions of dinner and pack the leftovers for lunch the next day. Hack 17. Use kitchen gadgets. A slow cooker, instant pot, or rice cooker can save tons of time and make meal prep even easier. Hack 18. Multitask while cooking. Chop veggies while something's baking in the oven, or wash produce while pasta boils. These little time savers add up. Section 8. Staying motivated. Hack 19. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Start with a few go-to recipes and expand your repertoire gradually. Hack 20. Use affordable protein sources. Eggs, canned tuna, tofu, and beans are excellent, budget-friendly protein options. Prepping meals together can be fun and saves time. Hack 21. Celebrate small wins. Each time you stick to your meal prep plan, give yourself a small reward. Hack 22. Keep pre-cut veggies handy. Pre-cut vegetables might cost a bit more but save loads of time. Alternatively, dedicate an hour to prepping fresh veggies for the week. Hack 23. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Start with a few go-to recipes and expand your repertoire gradually. Hack 24. Involve the family. Get your kids, partner, or roommates involved. Prepping meals together can be fun and saves time. Hack 25. Follow inspiring food creators. Follow blogs, social media accounts, or YouTube channels dedicated to budget-friendly, healthy meal prep. Their ideas can keep you inspired and motivated. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. And there you have it, 25 hacks to make meal prep for healthy eating on a budget a breeze. Remember, healthy eating is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Every small step you take adds up to big changes over time. You've got this. Now, it's time to take action. Grab a notebook, start planning your meals, and get prepping. Your future self will thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay motivated. Let's crush those health goals together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like these. See you in the next video.